In this tutorial, I will show you the basics of getting started with Luma AI. But first, let's take a quick look at some of the results. It's a high level of motion combined with identity preservation that really impresses me. Here on this first page of lumalabs.ai, we have some pictures which was generated by AI, and then these videos were generated out of it. So if we scroll down, we will see more videos, and here we have, as you can see, there are high level of motion combined with identity preservation that really impresses me. All these videos that you see right here on the screen were originally photos, which added animation now seems like a movie. We can do the same thing. We can create our own prompts, upload our own images, and create prompts to have the motions, or just create normal prompts that will create video out of it. Other AI video generators, it might take 50 tries to get something as good as Luma AI. It's pretty easy to get usable videos. To sign up, first we need to go to Try Now and click it. Once you're on this page, you need to sign it with your Google account. Once you have signed it with your Google account, this is the screen that you will see. Please note that this is the free account and there are 10 generations allowed per day. But if you want to pay, you can always pay, and then you will have more generations, which has no daily limit. And you will also have priority over other people, and the results will be much more faster. But it's always a good idea to try it out first before purchasing anything. So I'm going to try one of the ideas right here. Extreme close-up footage of a young sailor woman with concerned expression during a rainstorm. So I'm going to try the same expression and I'm going to click upload. Please note, due to high demand, it could take from a few seconds to a few minutes to generate the image. So just be patient and it will bring your image there. So after a few minutes, this is what was generated for the expression extreme close-up footage of young sailor woman with a concerned expression. So I'm going to go to direct link, download this video. I'm going to play it. Gonna go from the start. It's a close-up of a female sailor, and it's completely generated by AI. All the images and video here are AI generated. We try another prompt to see if we can go more artistic here. I'm gonna go and write an astronaut sitting in Delhi airport. Close up. So let's see how it goes. So now the creation has been created and you can see the video was generated, an astronaut sitting in Delhi airport and a close-up video. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna play the video. You can see there is some bit less of finishing and there's a bit of smudge here and there, but I would say it's getting pretty better as compared to other um, as compared to other video editing tools or other video AI tools. So yeah, that's a short tutorial on how to use the Luma Labs.ai. Do remember you can alternatively also upload a photo and write a prompt to make a video out of it, just like I showed in my shorts. So thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe.